And here's the next one. All right, this is 2010, number 10. So 2010, number 10. I know, right? All right. So as you look at this sheet for the very first time, you will notice that you read the instructions carefully. It says, shown in section, model whole part. So we're going to have to revolve this. So this is going to be one full circle, which is why mine looks like this, not half of it. Okay? If you understand that, let's go. File, new. Same way we start off every time. Go. There we go. We're going. All right, so here's how I'm going to do this. I'm going to flash back and forth real quick just so you can see this. So I'm going to draw this, and if you want to pause your screen real quick and draw it like I'm doing, that may be a good idea. So here are my measurements, but I'm going to move mine over actually, because the way I did it was not very smart. But you're going to do this and then revolve it. So that way you don't have to do as much work as you think. Okay. Actually, this way is not bad. But I like doing it right down the middle anyway. So here we go. All right. Go back to your part. And here's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to put a center line. So click center. Hit line right down the middle. Just draw it up. If you want to put a measure on it, about an inch long, it doesn't really matter. Okay. Then over here, I'm going to create my drawing, and then I'm going to place it in the right spot. Okay? Here we go. I'm going to go left here, 0.75. Oops. If you're on center line, you need to change it back by just clicking on it. Then you may have to click on it again to get started next. Yep, I do. Okay. Go up 0.5. Go left 0.25. Now, I'm going to press escape because I got an angle here, and I'm going to do that at the very end once everything else is set. So next, I'm going to go up here 0.5. Okay, those are both the same. Then I'm going to go to the right 0.5. Hopefully you're not on that. If you are, we're going to move it over here in a minute, so don't worry about it. Go up 0.5. Go left 0.25. Go up 0.5. And then go right 0.25. Let me go ahead and draw a line from here to here. Okay? Once you get that done, you should be able to take this whole thing and drag it over a little bit. All right, so take a moment. I'm going to double check my measurements to make sure everything's okay, and then we'll do the next step. Yep, I'm good. All right, so here's your next step. I want to dimension this to here, and you might get this little thing right there, and I did. Awesome. This from the bottom should be 1.5. Make sure you click on this line here. Okay? Try to do this a little bit easier way than I did the first time. Hit Finish Sketch. Then we're going to revolve it. The great thing about revolve is if you have that center line, it will automatically activate it, and you shouldn't have to do anything. If it doesn't, you need to click this thing right here and then click the center line. That's why the center line is important. And guess what? You're pretty much done. You just have to do the volumes now. So in this one, you're going to do iProperties again. Your physical update 2.367, and that is correct. Yay, I did it correct. Awesome. Okay. The points are not as awesome. So this is where things get a little sticky. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to click on the XY plane and hit New Sketch. Then press on the F7 key, which is called Slice Graphics. This will allow us to be able to click on areas that we usually could not have. So 1, 3, and 4 are all living right here. So hit point. I'm going to put 1 down here in the corner. I'm going to put 3 right here on this counterbore corner. And 4 will go right here on this corner right there. Okay. Press Finish Sketch. Now, you have one more left, and that's 2. So if you're looking at this, if you have a dot here, 2 is going to be adjacent to this quadrant over here. So I need to click Create Sketch here. So if you're looking at it, this is really careful on trying to get things lined up. So 1 is right there. So that means 2 should be on this quadrant over here. So I'm going to dump a point right up here. A little tricky, but I believe I got that correct. Okay, let's do some distance. Right. Press measure. So I'm already in. And we're going to go 1 is this bottom corner down here. So there's 1. There's 2. 2.250. Got that correct. 3 and 4. Okay. 4 should be right over here. And 3 is, where are you, 3? I have to zoom in here to find you. Is that 3? It's not 3. That's 3. From here to here. There we go. 1.346. So if you got those numbers, you are good. That one's a little tricky. Okay, another one done. Another one bites the dust. All right, please save this, 2010 number 10. You're good to go. Good job. See you in the next video. Bye.